Microsoft is about to go all in on their Copilot AI throughout 2024. Recently, Microsoft announced that Windows PCs released in 2024 will now have a dedicated Copilot key that would allow users to summon the AI assistant at will just by pressing it. For users who disable Copilot, this button will instead bring up the search window. According to Microsoft, this is the first time in 3 decades that the layout of the PC keyboard will have meaningful changes made to it. The first computer that'll be getting this new key will be Dell's XPS lineup. Specifically, the Copilot key will sit on the right side of the spacebar, mirroring the Windows key on the left. And on a side note, the XPS will be completely redesigned this year, adopting the same style as the XPS Plus from last year. Microsoft announced that their ultimate goal will be to make 2024 the year of the AI PC by integrating Copilot seamlessly throughout the rest of the operating system and even with the hardware itself. And this will be done in conjunction with Intel's new 14th generation Core Ultra processors that should allow for up to 70% faster computing speeds for generative AI. Beyond this, Microsoft recently announced the release of their Copilot app on both iPhone and Android. Using Copilot can be done without a Microsoft account, but asking Copilot to, for example, generate an image will require you to create an account. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and be sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you over there. Adios.